Alright guys, here's my new project. It's a 1994 Honda XR250R. Just picked it up this evening. It's hasn't been running in about 3 years. The guy I got it from just had it sitting at a friend's house in his driveway. He's had it for about 10 years. It looks pretty crusty. So it's after a project, and yep, I think I've got one on my hands right here. I ended up paying $850 for it, which at the time sounded really cheap. When I got advertised, I thought, oh, you beauty, finally a cheap bike, because these have all been going for pretty much, average price would be $1,800, plenty of two and a half. The ones that are around $1,200 tend to go really quickly. So this one's advertised for $900 and got it for $850. Yeah, it's rougher than I thought it would be. I don't really care. I haven't even washed it yet, so this is raw. The only thing that worries me so far is just all the pitting up here in the forks. I don't think that's going to come out. I think I'll probably have to end up sourcing some new forks. You can definitely tell it's been sitting outside. It was undercover, but didn't have a cover over it or anything. So cold, wet, windy days, it was definitely getting wet. All the usual stuff, all the consumables need to be done. When I went there and went to load it up, the front wheel was actually seized. It's just the disc. I don't know if it's even if the pistons in the caliper are seized, or if it's just the corrosion on the disc itself which is causing it to bind. But when I got it home, I sprayed it quickly with some WD-40 and that seemed to help. So I think once I take a wire wheel to it, it'll free that up and I'll be alright. Yeah, it's pretty crusty. Oh, you can hear that. Even all the spokes and stuff, they're all rusty and stuff. So sort of got to decide what I want to do with this bike. It's definitely gonna get a restoration, but I'm contemplating tearing it down to the frame, because even the frame, I mean, the rust and stuff isn't too bad on it, to be honest. The frame, it's just the usual sort of scuffing and rubbing. So there's a bit of oil down there, which it's probably just a seal gone near that Kickstarter, I would imagine. But I'm hoping I don't have to pull the actual engine apart. But yeah, so the frame's got a bit of rust and stuff, but that's all just par for the course. It's 1994, it's an old bike. So I'll probably tear it down to frame, get it all redone. It's actually got a big bore kit on it, so it's 280, I believe, instead of a 250. I couldn't even start it up and run it. When I bought it, I basically just checked that the engine cranked over, and that was basically it, barring any sort of major structural damage. But it hasn't been ridden in a long time. So he had the engine rebuilt. When he had it on the odometer, it's only got 51 Ks, so I'm imagining they zeroed that when they rebuilt the motor. Didn't even take the protective film off. Oh, that looks nice. So yeah, mechanically it should be alright, but everything else is basically clapped out on it. So, you know, levers, they're probably repairable, just cleaning them up. New grips. I only go to fat bars anyway, or maybe I don't know, it depends if they're bent, I might keep them or change them. I'm not really going to modernise this bike. I like the retro look of it, so the seat cover's in really good nick, surprisingly, except it's split in a few areas, so I'll probably end up just getting a new one of them. I want to get new parts, obviously, but keep the essence of the bike as it looks now. I don't really want a modern bike, so I'm not going to try and make it into a modern bike. A bit of damage up here. It's from the previous owner, he said. But yeah, these plastics will clean up. Like I said, I haven't even washed it yet, so time will tell as to how well it cleans up. All this oxidizing on this alloy head and stuff, that's going to be interesting to get off. I'll have to look at some ideas to clean that up the best way I can. But yeah, pretty stoked for it. I'll do regular videos. The Ford's still needing to be done, but that's a massive undertaking and I just haven't gotten around to it. Funnily enough, I actually used the Ford to tow this home. So she gets used, not just a pretty face. So yeah, I'm gonna tear the bike down. I'll do regular videos as I go along, restoring the old girl, and we'll see how we go. All right guys, stay tuned. See ya.